How does a Bitcoin transaction actually work? This is one of the most useful beginner questions because once you understand this, Bitcoin feels much less abstract. Let's start simple. A Bitcoin transaction is what happens when one person sends Bitcoin to another person. At the surface level, it can feel very easy. You open a wallet, enter an address, choose an amount, and press send. But behind that simple action, several important things are happening. First, your wallet creates the transaction. It prepares the information that says where the Bitcoin is going, how much is being sent, and which funds are being used. Then, your wallet uses the necessary cryptographic authorization to prove that you are allowed to spend that Bitcoin. After that, the transaction is broadcast to the Bitcoin network. This means it is shared with the network so that other participants can see it and verify whether it follows the rules. If everything checks out, the transaction enters the pool of unconfirmed transactions. From there, miners can include it in a block. Once that block is added to the blockchain, the transaction receives a confirmation. The more confirmations it gets over time, the more final and secure it is considered. This process is important because Bitcoin does not rely on one central company to say, yes, this payment is valid. Instead, the network verifies the transaction according to shared rules. That is one of the reasons Bitcoin works so differently from traditional payment systems. Now, sometimes beginners wonder why Bitcoin transactions are not always instant like a simple app notification. The reason is that the network is doing real verification. It is not just updating one private company database. It is reaching security through a decentralized process. So how does a Bitcoin transaction work? A simple answer is this. Your wallet creates the transaction, the network verifies it, miners include it in a block, and then it becomes confirmed on the blockchain. And once you understand that flow, Bitcoin starts feeling much more real, practical, and understandable.